Sup, loser?
What's up, dweeb?
What's up?
You enjoying your little chocolate ice cream? Nice.
Ricoma cat.
Win, lose, no matter. You make good fight and respect. Then nobody bother.
Help! Help! Stop!
Hey!
What's up, happy people? Welcome back to another episode of Embroidery Hub. In today's episode, I'll be diving deep into the world of karate to show you how to embroider your own karate belt with the help of Ricoma's trusty belt hoop. Now, typically, you'd be embroidering custom belts like these for karate dojos and various sporting events, which is a great niche to focus on for your business. But today, I'll be embroidering my own belt to show you how it's done. So what are we waiting for? Let's go ahead and kick it. All right, guys, these are the materials we're gonna be using on this project. We have our karate belt and we have our belt hoop. Now, this belt hoop is purchased separately. You can purchase it from shop.ricoma.com or you can scroll down to the description below. You could also use any type of belt when using this belt hoop. You can use regular leather belt. You can even use dog collars. Anything that's kind of in the shape of a belt. Okay, now let's get into the hooping. The first thing I do is unlock the two locks on both sides of the hoop. So you have two on the left and two on the right. Very simple. You just hold it and clip it out. Now, once you do so, you're gonna notice it has an extra piece right in between. So the belt is actually going to go in between these two. Now we're gonna grab our belt and we're going to start off from the top to the bottom and back to the top. Now that we have it like this, all we have to do is stretch it out. But before we do so, double check that you're right on the middle. Then try to push it in until you hear a nice click. All right, and this is pretty much it. Now we're ready to put it in the machine. So today I'm using the sensei of all embroidery machines, the Ricoma MT1501.
This ninja knows no fear.
Now I've used this machine in a lot of my videos, so if you guys want to check those out, scroll down to the description below. Okay, now let's put the hoop in the machine. Just like your other regular hoops, the U shape on the bracket should always be on the right top corner. So now let's choose our design. Now I have already saved it in my memory, so I'm going to select it. Now I have to choose, like always, the hoop that I'm going to be using. In this case, I'm going to be using a regular hoop. You can always choose the other hoop, which opens up your parameters. But since the belt hoop is actually about the size of the E hoop, I'm just going to select this one instead. Now I'm going to select the colors. As you can see, I have already preset my colors, so all I have to do is press the OK button. So the last thing I have to do is trace a design. Okay, now we have it all set up. We have our belt hooped, we have our machine locked and ready to go, and the design is traced. Now this design is about 7,000 stitches, so it's gonna take us around 8 to 9 minutes to complete. Let's go ahead and press the start button. So here we have it. All I have to do now is clean up the back and we should be good. Okay, now we're done snipping the back. And to take this off is very simple. You just do the opposite, is unlocking it, taking it out, doing the same thing to the other side. That's it. All right, so here is the finished product. It looks really nice. It's right in the middle, exactly where we wanted. And these small letters came out really nice, actually. It stands out a lot. Overall, this is a great job.
Help! Help! Stop!
Hey!
Flawless victory.
So there you have it. Remember, anything is possible as long as you have the proper training, guidance, and education.
Man who catch fly with chopstick accomplish anything.
And remember, it's important in embroidery and custom apparel to find your niche. Sporting events and sport teams in general can be a very profitable venture for years to come after you land that first order. So if you're interested in videos like this, make sure you scroll down through our playlist of Embroidery Hub videos. And for business advice, check out our playlist at Apparel Academy to get pro tips from our very own CEO, Henry Ma. If you're not already following us on Facebook, then join our community of apparel decorators and our Facebook group, Embroidery and Custom Apparel Mastery, linked down in the description below. Also, follow us on Instagram, where we now have close to 25,000 followers and post content like this daily. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Go ahead and kick your competition. I'll see you guys next time.